Hardware coatings, powder, paint, e-coat, or dip each has its own applications. Choose wrong, costs double and quality suffers. ZHYAO offers all four processes, helping you choose right without overpaying. Powder coating. Dry powder is electrostatically applied and heat-cured. Near zero VOC emissions during application, curing does generate small amounts of VOCs, requiring exhaust treatment. With a large cyclone plus two-stage recovery system, material utilization can reach over 95%. One coating delivers 60 to 120 micrometers thick film. Ideal for high-volume standard parts, outdoor fences, electrical cabinets, applications requiring high corrosion resistance. Limitations: cannot reach complex internal cavities, uneven edge coverage. Solution: manual touch-up stations at the end of the automatic line to handle dead corners and complex areas that automatic guns cannot reach. Liquid painting. Atomized paint sprayed onto workpiece surfaces. Simple equipment, flexible color changes, wide material compatibility, and delivers high gloss, premium quality finishes. Ideal for custom colors, small batches, complex shapes, and high appearance parts. Limitations: high VOC emissions requires exhaust treatment systems. Water curtain circulation systems capture paint mist particles, and catalytic combustion systems efficiently decompose VOCs, purifying workshop air and ensuring compliant emissions. E-coating. Workpieces immersed in a paint bath with electrical current, particles deposited uniformly under an electric field. Excellent coating uniformity, full coverage of internal cavities and dead corners. Ideal for complex shapes with internal cavities, automotive parts, locks, hinges. Limitations: single color batch production, high initial investment. Dip coatings. Workpieces immersed in liquid plastics to form a thick coating. Extremely thick coatings, excellent corrosion resistance, impact resistance, and insulation. Ideal for fence mesh, diamond mesh, outdoor facilities requiring ultra-thick protection. Limitations: workpiece heat resistance must be considered. Select matching materials and process parameters. Choose the right process, get it right, and everything falls into place. Choose wrong, and the cost, time, and quality all suffer. What processes are you using? Run into any problems? Drop a comment below.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.